In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello and Slack together to boost your productivity. If you're looking to streamline your workflow by integrating these two powerful tools, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Trello's website. You can easily find it by typing trello.com into your address bar. Once you're on the site, you'll notice a login button situated conveniently on the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now you have a couple of options for logging in. You can use your email address and password, or if you're like me and prefer keeping everything linked, simply log in using your Google account. This integration is seamless and saves you time, especially if you're already in the Google ecosystem. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Trello homepage. From there, navigate to the Boards section. This is where all the magic happens. In this space, you can create new boards for any project or revisit existing boards to check on their progress. It's your central hub for keeping everything organized. Within your boards page, you'll find a section called Your Workspaces. This is where your personal Trello projects and collaborations live. Click into the specific board you want to work with. This will give you a more targeted view of tasks and workflow that are relevant to the project at hand. At this point, you might want to adjust your workspace settings to better suit your needs. Click on the Workspace Settings option. Here you can customize how your workspace operates, ensuring it aligns perfectly with both your personal and team objectives. As you get more comfortable, you may want to explore additional features that Trello offers. Now let's get to the exciting part, connecting Trello with Slack. Within your workspace settings, there's an option titled Add to Slack. Clicking this will kick off the integration process. You'll then be prompted to approve a couple of permissions. Start by clicking Allow when Slack asks for your authorization. This step ensures that Trello can communicate smoothly with Slack, which is essential for sending updates or notifications between the two platforms. Follow this up by allowing Trello the necessary permissions as well. This seamless handshake between Trello and Slack is crucial for efficient communication management. Finally, once you've completed these authorization steps, your Slack account will now be fully connected with Trello. This means notifications, updates, and other integrations can flow logically, keeping you and your team in the loop at all times. That wraps it up for today's tutorial on integrating Trello with Slack. I hope you find this guide helpful as you work toward organizing your projects and enhancing team productivity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.